Hello, aspirants. Welcome to AQYA's YouTube channel. This session is another episode of our quick revision series Prelims Atulya. In the last session, we discussed about Gupta Empire, and in today's session, we'll discuss about Sangam Age. Now, Sangam Age, this topic is extremely important from prelims perspective because we have some names of literary works, and those literary works are extremely important. So we'll try to cover every significant aspect of this topic. So let's get started. Now, first, let's try to understand the term Sangam. Sangam means an assembly of Tamil poets. Okay, so you should have the clarity regarding this word. Sangam means an assembly of Tamil poets. Now, those Tamil poets were they were supported by Pandyan kings. Okay, so those assemblies were similar to round table conference. So Tamil poets, they would sit together and they would work upon their literary works. Now, according to Tamil legends, there were three Sangams. First Sangam was held at Madurai. Remember this point, this is very important. Second Sangam was held at Kapadapuram. And third Sangam, again, it was held at Madurai. So these three Sangams are very important, and you must know where these Sangams were held. First Madurai, second Kapadapuram, and third Madurai again. Now here, one Sangam literature, one literary work that's very important, and this is the oldest surviving literary work, Tolkappiyam. So this Tolkappiyam, it is a Tamil grammar. Okay, it has the information related to grammar, so you must know about Tolkappiyam. Now some other literary works that we have are Ituttugai, Pattu Pattu, Pattinani Kalikanaku. So these literary works are also important. I know that these words are difficult to memorize, but you should have a little idea. Now there are some other literary works as well. We have 5 epics. Here remember about Valyapati and Kundalakasi. Now Valyapati and Kundalakasi, these two are not available now. These are not existing now. So you can know this thing. And out of these, Silapa Padikaram and Mani Makalai, these are called twin epics. Why? Because these two form a continuous story. Okay, so you should know this point that Silapa Padikaram and Mani Makalai, these are twin epics. So this can be asked in the prelims. Now Silapa Padikaram, it was written by Ilangu Adigal. Just remember this thing. And Mani Makalai, it was authored by Santana. So you can have little idea about these two literary works. These two form a continuous story, that's why these are known as twin epics. Now let's have a little idea about the religious beliefs during Sangam Age. Remember that Brahmanism, Jainism, Buddhism, these religions coexisted together in Tamil region during this period. And as far as deities are concerned, then Murugan, Thirumal, Vendan, Varunan, these were worshipped during Sangam Age. And one thing that you can know is that they believed in ghosts and spirits also. Okay? And Sangam Age people also believed in dreams and influence of planets on human life. And we are providing the content as well. We have covered the literary works. We have gotten to know the beliefs, religious beliefs of those people during Sangam Age. And this content you can revise before your prelims. And as far as these names are concerned, you can note down these names and you can try to memorize. And if you have liked our initiative Prelims Atulya, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And if you have any suggestions, then you can mention in the comment section. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session. I'm signing off. Thank you very much.